Welcome to Sociology Vibes, where we simplify challenging ideas into easy to understand insights. Today, our focus is on the activity theory of aging developed by scholar Robert J. Havighurst during the 1960s. The activity theory suggests that staying active and involved with people in our social network enhances our personal satisfaction in old age and quality of life. Instead of seeing aging as a time to slow down or withdraw, this theory argues that older adults who stay engaged in activities tend to be happier and more satisfied with life. Studies also show that involvement with our social networks increases life expectancy. According to the activity theory, rather than viewing aging as the disengagement from social roles, it is about modifying and adapting ways of staying active. Staying active includes finding meaning and happiness through work, hobbies, social connections, and learning. The more engaged older adults are, better their mental and physical health tends to be. Many people keep working or start new careers after retirement. For example, some retirees start small businesses, teach classes, or consult and mentor in their field. Aging adults who volunteer, join community groups, or attend religious services tend to report higher levels of happiness. Whether it's gardening, dancing, painting, or learning a new language, staying mentally and physically active contributes to health and well-being. The activity theory is rooted in the functionalism perspective. Functionalist sociologists view society like a system in which every part of society has a role contributing to the social stability of the system. The activity theory aligns with functionalism because when aging people remain active and connected to their social group, this brings unity and social stability to individuals across society. Critics of the activity theory remind us that not everyone has the same trajectory as they age, and societal or social inequalities limit access to opportunities, and even within social groups. With that said, when possible, not only are the pursuit of interests and social connections beneficial to individuals, they also benefit communities and society. Additionally, being active and experiencing positive feelings are important social factors for well-being. The activity theory explains that we should see aging as an active, fulfilling stage of life instead of a period of decline. It reminds us to stay engaged in hobbies, learning, and social connections at all ages. And it helps to think critically about and challenge stereotypes about aging that suggest that people lose value as they grow older. And this makes sociology fascinating, don't you think? Thank you for watching. Be sure to comment below with your thoughts, questions, or any topics you'd like us to explore next. Let's keep the conversation going and our community growing. See you in the next Sociology Vibes video.